So how do you describe yourself in the film?
Okay, as you know, I'm playing Revolver Rani in the film, and it's a role that I feel needed a lot of guts to take up, because when I was given the story by Praveen while I was shooting for Uja in Lankavi, I was like, what? Seriously? You're thinking of doing this role? Like, you want me to do this role? And he's like, yes. And I was like, you want people to slap me or put a garland of shoes on me or something after the movie. It's such a bold character, and I don't think any actress in Telugu cinema would take up this role, because it's a very, very challenging role. It's an insane character and extremely intense, and that character is nothing like me. Like, not even an inch of that character is like me. So for me, it was basically Shraddha Das in somebody else's body when I was doing that character. So every time, for example, if I went on the set in the morning, before that I used to tell myself that nothing of me should show, in the sense, except my outer appearance, but the kind of woman she is, there was nothing of me. So it was really, really difficult for me. And in the beginning, yes, before I went on the shoot, I had lots and lots of questions to ask Praveen, that, oh God, how will people take this? You know, oh no, this scene can't we shoot it this way? No, can we do it this way? If you've seen Kangana Ranawat's character in Revolver Rani,
that was a reference?
Yes, it is quite an inspiration from that, the look and the role. But we have not gone that far, as much as she has in the script, because I don't think Telugu audiences would really accept that. But yes, the characterization is quite similar. And so yeah, it was, and for the first time I dubbed for myself in the film. So basically this Revolver Rani is from the border of Telangana, Andhra, Chhattisgarh. So they wanted a really weird accent for her. And so they made me dub for it, which will sound really funny.
Can you say a few lines?
Bongem Kadu, Bochadu Chusam, something like that is there in that movie. But anyways, I keep saying da again and again to the hero in the film.
Oh, okay. It's like that enticing thing.
And so basically I went ahead, and I believe that no risk, no gain. And in any kind of thing that you do, whether it's business or whether it's acting. So it is definitely a very risky character, and I feel that there could be three things that could happen with this role. Number one, people will hate me when they see the film. Number two, they'd say that this woman is crazy. What is she doing? And number three, they could just say that, how is she able to do this role? Oh my God, Shraddha Das could really do this role. So there could be these three diverse, extreme reactions, and it has a lot of shock value, the role. I'm just not playing around with guns in the movie. So yeah, people are going to get very, very shocked. That is a guarantee.
Okay.
What kind of shock? I don't know.
Are you going to tell us what the shock value in the film is?
I think your eyeballs will pop out when you see this character on screen.
Now that's pretty high adjectives that you're using.
Yes, because it is that kind of a role. And I remember, I can't actually tell you the scenes also, but the way she tortures the hero character has not been seen before in Telugu.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like you torture Sidhu's character in the film.
Yes. Okay. In the most sadistic ways that you can imagine.
Okay.
But that's all Praveen's imagination. So I have just done what Praveen wanted.
So
whatever is happening in this film, don't blame us, the actors. We have just we have just lived Praveen's fantasies in the film.
So there was one shot in the trailer where you tie up Praveen, Sidhu.
Yeah, Praveen, yeah, he wished.
It's so scandalous, man. Bachche dekh rahe, remember that? Okay, so is that something what you're hinting at when you say that you do a lot of...
Oh, that is teaser ka bhi teaser.
Okay, so you've gone all out.
Yeah, see, for me, it is a character. I have done it with complete conviction, okay? And I have always done it, whatever I have done in Telugu films, I have done it with conviction, whether not thinking that how people are going to react. I do think about it before the film, but when I am on that set, I do it with conviction, because if I don't do this role with conviction, it will look really cheap and vulgar, you know. So it's that kind of a character which is so risky. And another thing I'd like to add is that Praveen wanted me to be very subtle when it came to the expressions, because generally when we do negative characters, it's not a negative character, everybody has shades of negative, but when you do such eccentric characters, generally what happens is that people ask you to be a little loud. It happens even in the South, in Hindi also, but he used to tone down he used to make it extremely subtle, so it does not cross the line of, you know, it doesn't go to the vulgar zone. You stay with that character in the film. And I was doing a lot of stunts on my own in the film, which were very dangerous, which I don't think actresses would do, which